In today's video, I'll show you how to create meeting polls in Calendly step by step. Meeting polls help you find the best time for a group meeting by letting participants vote on available time slots. First, sign into your account and go to your dashboard. Once you're logged in, look for the Polls or Meeting Polls feature in the left-hand menu. Note, this feature may only be available on certain Calendly plans. Now click Create a new poll. Next, give your poll a clear title, such as Team Meeting Schedule or Client Call Availability. After that, add the possible meeting times. Select multiple date and time options so participants can choose which ones work best for them. You can include different days or multiple time slots on the same day. Now set the duration of the meeting, such as 30 minutes or 60 minutes, depending on your needs. Next, add participants by entering their email addresses. Calendly will send them a link where they can vote on their preferred time slots. You can also customize settings, such as poll deadline, minimum votes required, or whether the final time is automatically selected or manually confirmed. After that, review your poll details and click Publish. Now copy the poll link and share it with your team, clients, or group members. Once participants vote, Calendly will show the most preferred time, making it easy for you to finalize the meeting. Before finishing, check responses in your dashboard to confirm which time slot has the highest agreement. And that's it. You've successfully created meeting polls in Calendly and simplified group scheduling. And that's how you create meeting polls in Calendly.